The director in this video discusses play as the child's work. What she means when she makes that statement is that children develop through experiences, and ideally it'll be experiences that are play, where they can physically interact with activities, whether in materials, to experiment with them and try various ways of using these materials or these activities, and that's how they learn and they develop in the optimal manner. We see how the teachers meet monthly to plan an overall curriculum based on what they know developmentally for their children, where their children are and what their interests are. They plan an overall activity, and then as they go through their month for 2 weeks, they'll go through and they'll see how the children are responding to this overall curriculum. They'll see basic needs or optimal windows of learning that are taking place with the children. And in these bi-weekly or bi-monthly meetings, they will plan or fine-tune some of their original plans to address these needs or optimal learning periods, so that they are providing for play activities for this development, to provide experiences for this development, so the children will gain the most they can through the play that are being provided. We see activities in various centers that are open for their interaction and their play. We see social emotional domain development taking place in all the various center activities, from water play to the block play, the dramatic play area. We see it at the large group time where they're singing and laughing and talking together and doing finger plays. The children are conversing with each other at the water table, and in the block play we see them practicing everyday activities that they may see when they're outside of the school in the dramatic play area. These are all demonstrations of social emotional development taking place. We see cognitive development taking place again at the water table, at the reading area. We see it when they're at the painting and they're learning about the colors, and when the fine motor development, when they're working with the paintbrushes, when they're working at the water table, and finger plays, and they're coloring, they're scribbling on the paper. We see language development taking place in the library. We see it when they're in the large group area doing the singing and the circle time with the finger plays. We see it in their conversations with each other in the various centers at the water table, again during the block play and reading and talking together. All these things we see, again we'll see the teacher was working with the one child at teaching them the steps to washing hands. That's another demonstration of cognitive development. These teachers were very intentional in their teaching and demonstrated many various